Be sure to like and subscribe for future content. Current home prices. Median sale price. About $319,900. $322,000 across Central Ohio. Prices are still rising. Up roughly 6 to 7% year over year in recent reports. The average home value in Columbus sits around $239,000, showing stable values with only slight year-over-year change. Bottom line, prices are still climbing, but much slower than the pandemic boom years. Inventory homes for sale. Inventory is growing, with roughly 4,400 plus homes on the market, about 14% higher than last year. More listings mean buyers have more choices than they did in 2021 to 2023. However, inventory is still below what economists consider a balanced market. Translation: still slightly a seller's market, but shifting toward balance. Days on market. Homes now take about 48 days to sell on average in Central Ohio. This is 11 to 12% longer than last year. Meaning buyers have more time to make decisions. Sellers must price correctly and stage well to move quickly. Mortgage rates. Mortgage rates are hovering around approximately 6% to low 6% range. That's still high compared to pandemic rates, but lower than the 7% peaks of 2024 to 2025. Even small drops in rates dramatically increase buyer affordability. Why Central Ohio is still a strong market? Several major factors are driving demand. 1. Population growth. Columbus continues to attract new residents. 2. Major job expansion companies like Intel, Amazon, and Google are bringing thousands of jobs to the region. 3. Strong rental demand. Ohio State University and growing tech industries keep rental demand high. Because of these factors, Columbus is often ranked among the top housing markets in the U.S. What has changed versus the pandemic boom? The market today is very different from 2021 to 2022. Then, homes sold in days, massive bidding wars, buyers waiving inspections. Now, more negotiation power for buyers, fewer bidding wars, price sensitivity from buyers. Forecast for the rest of 2026. Experts expect home prices with modest increases around 3 to 4% annually. Inventory gradually rising. Sales volume possibly slightly lower but stabilizing. Mortgage rates likely slowly declining toward the mid 6% range. Overall outlook: stable market, not a crash. What this means? For buyers: more negotiating power than before, more inventory to choose from, but prices are still gradually rising. For sellers: homes still selling. Pricing strategy matters more than ever. Overpriced homes are sitting longer. Quick market snapshot. Metric: Central Ohio. Median home price $320K. Inventory approximately 4,400 homes. Days on market approximately 48 days. Price growth approximately 3 to 7% annually. Mortgage rates approximately 6% range.